So, sorry for interruption. Now I will continue. We are talking about the Stephen Hawking, a great scientist born in Munich, Germany, Hamburg. He lifted out the original 4,000 theorems that were about universe, black hole, and wormhole. These three things that he most loves these three things. Now I will talk about the theories. Quantum theory, first term of fundamental quantum mechanics. This is delta. This is wavelength. This is velocity. Half velocity into time means the delta by velocity equals to time, and the time divided by the half of the wavelength is called as velocity. In this term only, that's why it is called a fundamental term. Wormhole. Scientists believe that wormhole can be useful for time travels. You were thinking that the time travels are impossible, but by the theoretical part it is possible. The quantum mechanics is made for this term to measure the probabilities that the time travel is possible or impossible. The human theories are very weak on the topic of the probabilities. A scientist in the Cambridge have expressed the unit of death called as mole. He said that by horses it is 1 mole, by cars it is 40 mole, by train it is 200 moles, and by the airstrike it is 5,000 moles. It is the most useful unit for the life, and he thinks that he can be alive for over 100 years by the theories made by him. The theories are far beyond the sky. The theories are only possible on the earth, such as E equals to mc squared. You think it is an constant, but when in the science of universe, these are the most useful things. The scientists think these are the most useful things, but failed in the universe for the black holes and the following things. That's why the Stephen Hawking is interested in wormholes, universes, and several things. And the Leonard Maldonado is a student of him, which make book for him. and the quantum mechanics is useful this term. So I will end the conversation. Thank you.